this is my screencast for the CS50W Project 1, Wiki. I've built a Wikipedia-like encyclopedia using Django and Markdown files. Right now, I'll walk you through all the required features. This is the homepage, which lists all the current entries. Each entry title is a clickable link. For example, I can click Python. This is the entry page for Python. The content is written in Markdown, which is converted to HTML using my custom logic. If the user tries to visit an entry that doesn't exist, they get a friendly error page. For example, if I go into the URL bar and type in hello, then I get a friendly error page. Now let's try the search functionality. When there's an exact match, for example, I type in exactly HTML, then there is the page displayed, no questions asked. But even when I enter a substring, for example, Django, without the D, I submit it, I get the Django option in the search results. I can also be even more discreet, be even more vague, and type in something like A, and I get all the responses that have A in them. Now let me try creating a new page. And when I click submit, I can see a new page CSS popped up. Now, when I go back and I reload, I can see CSS too. Now, if I try to create a page, CSS, not CSS, because there's already a page with title CSS, I get an error message saying that there's a page that page already 3, 2, 1. That page already exists. I can also edit entries. For example, I can go into CSS and click Edit Page, and now the text area is automatically filled in with all of the Markdown. Here, for example, if I want to reduce the white space a bit, then I can submit, and the content is displayed. Now, let's try the random page feature. When I click random page, I go to a random page. As you can see, it's different every time, so it's completely random. To recap, this project includes an index page that links to entry pages rendered with Markdown, a search feature with exact and partial matches, the ability to create new pages, editing functionality with pre-filled Markdown, a random page feature, and HTML rendering using custom Markdown to HTML converter. All the pages use Django's templating engine and are styled using the base layout. Thanks for watching!